So I'm using an angle grinder to remove the rivet. Be sure to use safety gloves, mask, and a safety glass. Grinding it could take a while. Just gradually push it. When you grind off the heads, you should see a circular shape in that surface, which indicates that you can strike it with a punch and a hammer. This is how the rivet looks like. Now here is the body, which has true rubber bushing. Due to heat and tension, it wears out, causing a gap or clearance inside the body. Now before I remove the lower part, I decided to create a mark using a metal file. The measurement is different from both sides. In order for me to reassemble it to where it should, I will file the edge of the body. Remove the two rubber bushings. Then, create a line mark using a metal file. Using pencil pen is not that useful since the body is covered in grease. Now file the bracket too. With this method, you can easily assemble it. Next, grind the lower part which has a bigger rivet. After grinding, check if you can see a circle line into the surface of the bracket. Try striking it with a punch tool and a hammer. If it doesn't work, grind it a little bit and repeat the process. Before separating each part, create a line mark first so you don't misplace it in return. Now that I match up, I can start cleaning these parts. So here are the parts when disassembled. Here are the line marks I created. The lower part has O-rings, and the other components will be reused in the next video. That concludes the part 2 on how to disassemble a shifter linkage. In the next video, I will show you how to assemble it with new parts. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless.